Hey friends, welcome back to the Bay East Association of Realtors Grab and Go videos. Here today with another good one for you. You know our Paragon covers Alameda and Contra Costa County, but did you know about our data share with other associations? You can find listings for multiple MLSs around the state just by doing a search like you would for our counties. We have data share with the following associations: Bay East, Combined LA Westside, California Regional MLS, Metro List, MLS Listings, and SFAR. Let's do a search for homes in San Jose. Start by going to the main search bar from the homepage and select Residential. Enter the criteria for your client. You can use city, zip code, or map search for specific locations. The Count button shows you how many listings fit the search. When you are ready to see the result of the search, select Search on upper right-hand corner. Now you can see all of the listings that match in San Jose. You can tell which association has the listing by looking at the MLS number. BA is Bay East, ME is Metro List, ML is MLS Listings, SF is SFAR, CL is for CLAW, and CR is for CR MLS. So if you were searching by MLS numbers, remember to put in the letters in front of the number. MLS numbers that do not have any letters in front are listings entered into Paragon directly by the listing agent. Now you know how to find listings outside of Alameda and Contra Costa counties. Thank you for watching and see you in the next Grab and Go video.